Hey guys, you here? Welcome back to the channel. For today, we have a very special episode. Today, as you guys all know, the Jordan store newly opened here in BGC, as you guys can see. And actually, nakakuha tayo ng schedule later today. It's currently 7:23 and schedule natin guys, 7:45 PM. Shout out to Mukesh kasi actually nung nilabas yung scheduling appointment here, available earliest was actually January. Pero Mukesh the plugged us December 4, nandito tayo. It actually opened yesterday to the public, December 3. And yeah, hopefully meron tayong makita mga magandang pairs kasi I believe kahapon naglabas pa sila ng mga Off-White Force, mga Union Force, and marami nakakuha actually. So hopefully makakuha tayo, and yeah, I'm excited. Let's go, peace. Oh, saka kung may nagtatanong ba't sobrang pawis ako, sobrang hirap hanapin nito. Actually, tagong-tago siya. Ayan, yung store na yan, sobrang tagong-tago. Nagpark pa ako sa one parkade. And grabe nilakad ko. But yeah, hopefully worth yung pagpunta. Let's go. So I actually forgot the last time I wore this pair. This was one of my favorite Jordan 1s. If you guys watched my top 10 Jordan 1 collection. And yeah, sobrang ganda pa rin niya on feet. Oh. Tingnan niyo, sobrang sexy. I'm in love again. Pero yeah, ito, Jordan store, as you guys all know, first time ko here. So, kailangan maganda rin yung first time na suot kasi memories. So, waiting na lang tayo makapasok. Let's go. So, we just got inside the store and papakita ko sa inyo. I'll show you guys around the store and hopefully share with you guys some of my pickups. Hopefully meron. And yeah, ikot muna tayo around. So upon entering, ito yung makikita nyo. And the first thing that actually got my attention was this pair right here. Because ito yung this is a Union collabs. This is the Guapa pair. Ito yung hindi Jordan 4 natural. Ito yung parang mas easier to cop version ng mga Union collabs. Ayan. So available siya dito. We also have the Jordan 5s. I believe yung kabilang pair nito was the Tokyo colorway. One of the grails yung mga 2011 I believe. And right here we also have the Fire Red Force. This released last Black Friday, November 30. And if you have the chance to cop, I'd suggest you guys copying this. And yeah, one of the best looking Air Jordans retros to release. And so ito, we also have like the Oregon 5s colorway. Ayan. Pero this is the GR version. And nandito rin. We also have some 6s. Oh, we also have the metallic ones. Ayan, hindi nag-sell out. So if you're looking for a pair of Jordan 1s, ito. Ang trip niya yung colorway na ganyan. We also have some mids right here. Some black, white, and gray Jordan 1 mids. Tapos dito sa wall na to, we have some, I don't know what this is called. I think this is called the Biotech ones, like the low cut versions. Ayan. We also have some Royal Toe colorways na ito yung nasi-zipper for yung mga injured people na gusto mag Jordan 1s. Ayan, yung trip niyan. So yeah, ikot pa tayo. So right here we have some denim 6s, some more mids right here. And kung gusto trip nyo yung ganyang colorway, pang bata. Sorry, nag-music na sila. Ito, we have some colorful Jordan 1 lows also. We have some white and gold. So ito pa mga mids. Kung naghahanap kayo ng Jordan 1s right there. So, andito yung gusto kong Christmas gift, oh. Baka naman. We have the Jordan 4 Retro Manila. Ayan. So, if you guys are wondering how much resale price nito, it's around 400,000 pesos. It's limited to 150 pairs. And they have number 23 displayed here out of 150. Kaya ganun kamahal. But, yeah. Christmas gift, oh. Lapit na Christmas, baka naman. Let's go. Okay, so over here we have the custom t-shirt printing, and right here we have the designs. Right here we have the Air Jordan Manila right there. We also have like the Jordan painting right there, and daming designs, and it's only 1595, which is not bad. And pretty soon they'll have another custom shoe designs, like you can change the color of the aglet and stuff. You can change the color of the gray, and it's available here at the custom 23 section of the store. And solid. So ito yung mga samples ng Jordan designed by you t-shirts, and we have Jumpman Manila right there, and Jordan Manila, solid. Yung mga design ng artist daw nila. Ito yung ito yung painting they have over there. And ganda na pala eh. So ito naman yung mga black version. And Jordan Manila. Jump Manila right there. So ayun mga t-shirts nila. And ito yung ipapa-customize raw nila soon. It will be available soon pero not now. Ito, white na Jordan 1 low. Pwede nyo raw customize yung mga nandito. And solid. So that was basically it. Wala naman tayo magbili sa loob kasi most of the stuff that are there are like general Nike releases, except yung mga customized t-shirts and all that. And yung mga unions na na collab, it's not my thing really. Yung Jordan 4 hindi ko na rin binili kasi nga ang dami ko na rin pairs na hindi pa naman nasusuot this 2020. So natatakot ako mag-hoard, then wala namang pupuntahan. Actually, this is one of the first times that I went out of the house kasi as you guys all know, actually stream COD Mobile. If you guys haven't yet, make sure to follow my page. It's on Facebook. It's at ChummiTV Gaming. I'll put the link down below. And yeah, mag-unboxing na lang tayo once we get home. And yeah, thanks again for watching, guys. Let's go. So we just got back home, and as promised, meron tayong unboxing. Right here we have 2 pairs of Jordan 4s. And I know what you're thinking, hopefully ito yung Jordan 4 Manila, but unfortunately it's not. This pair is the women's Air Jordan 4 Retro. And I got this in my size. This is a men's size 9, women's size 10.5. And ito yung, if we pop the box open, you'll see this, and a clear na Jumpman logo right there. And if we pop natin yung shoes out, this is the Air Jordan 4 Retro Off-White. And ayan, this is a pair na matagal ko na nakuha, pero unfortunately wala pa ako nagawang unboxing kasi nababoringan ako sa pag puro unboxing lang gawin natin dito sa channel na to. And ayun nga, luckily nakakuha tayo ng schedule sa Jordan Store kanina. So ayun, nag-vlog na ulit ako. And ito, perfect timing. Ito, nilabas to sa kanila. But yan, hindi ko to nakuha sa kanila. Ang gulo. Pero ayan, nakuha ko to sa Titan nung nilabas nila through a raffle. Ayan. But itong size 9 wasn't released to the public. I'm not sure why. Pero ayun, nakakuha yung isa kong kakilala. And he sold it to me for a decent price. Ayan. And yeah, pinapakita ko lang sa inyo. What are your thoughts about this pair? For me, sobrang linis nito, sobrang ganda nito. If makita niyo yung mga Instagram fits ng pair na to, grabe, sobrang pogi. So, I'm really tempted to bust this out siguro this Christmas season. Pero What do you guys think? Tingin nyo ano to, magsa-skyrocket same as the other Jordan Off-White collaborations such as this one. Ito kasi nakuha lang ito dati around 70k and ngayon mga brand new pairs goes around 250k. So tingin nyo ba itong Jordan 4 will follow that trend? Nakakatakot lang kasi dito ang Jordan 4 kasi crumbles like yung dito sa side na to. So mahirap i-store. So I didn't really hoard that much pairs pero siguro worth it na rin pag i-hold kasi we'll see after a year. Ayun. So, ayun lang naman guys. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo. So, yung mga nakapunta kahapon sa Jordan store, swerte kasi alam ko nakaabot sila ng mga pairs na ganito for retail. This retailed for around 10,200 pesos only. And if you're willing to buy pairs, it goes for around 30 to 50,000 depending on the size. So, ayun guys. Ito. Dito pala yung resibo. Pakita ko sa inyo na hindi talaga ito galing sa Jordan store. Got this from Titan. So yung mga magko-comment dyan na, uy, mukhang fake. Asa kayo. We don't do that here. So yun lang naman guys. Gusto ko na kayo kumustahin. Kumusta? What are your latest pickups? Let me know down below in the comments. And again, follow me on my streaming page kasi doon halos everyday ako nagpo-post. So kung may mga kayo, urgent questions, makikita ko kagad doon kasi pwede na kayo mag-comment. May babasa ko naman yan habang naglalaro ako. So you can interact with me there. Make sure to follow my page at ChummiTV Gaming. And yeah, let me know down below in the comments latest pickups and kung anong videos pag gusto niyo makita para sa channel natin kasi actually ako hindi rin ako nakapunta pa sa Titan store sa yung bago nilang flagship store sa BGC. Hindi pa ako nakaka-chamba ng appointment there. I'm not sure if they allow walk-ins. Pero kanina pala they allowed walk-in sa Jordan store. So, if yung mga nagpa-plan magpunta sa Jordan store, try nyo lang magpunta doon kasi minsan kasi kanina nakita ko pinapayagan sila mag-walk-in. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to leave a like down below and yeah, see you guys in the next one. Peace.